Are you struggling to turn your WooCommerce store into a selling machine? I'm revealing my 4 plugins that will transform any WooCommerce store into a selling machine. And the best part about these plugins, they don't take hours to do. There's no coding, very simple, and have analytics to back them up. So watch and we will transform your store into something special. So let's dive right in. Here we are with WooCommerce and the Astra theme. This is the product page, and this is where you're going to convert your customers. So we're going to add a few things to it. And as you can see, it's still fairly simple. Nothing really added much to it other than a few key things. We added a buy now button. This can be very, very important because if anyone is high intent and they just want to purchase it, getting out of their way and allowing them to purchase the product is the best thing to do. You can grab a free plugin. There's some out there that are really, really good, but a lot of them lack analytics. And if anything in here people use or don't use, if they don't use it, you want to know and you want to get rid of it. You want to keep this as clutter-free as possible. The other thing we added was a guaranteed safe checkout. This comes with Astra. A lot of themes like Bloxy and other ones have something similar, so no problem there. If you have a compare, it's best that you make it so it's not as obvious and kind of out of the way. So a little checkbox is fine. Where you can actually start upselling people is after that section because they're curious about more. And a frequently bought together section is extremely powerful to increase your average order value, but it needs to make sense. So having a quick way to bundle these products together, which I'll go over later in the video, is a great thing to have. The next thing is trying to get your customer to the right product. Now, a related product section like this down here is great, but if you can have a compare product section such as this one, it will give them that little bit extra information to quickly get them to the right product. Now my plugin will generate the section automatically if they haven't viewed any products or have some already selected via the checkbox. It's just quick and simple. You can also make custom ones for each product if you so wish. It's very, very powerful, great way to get your customers to the right products. So we'll show you how to quickly make bundles for categories right now. Now, the bundle plugin, you can go to my website and purchase it. And as you can see, you click on the product bundler and you can see we have bundle analytics. And here was the bundle that you saw. And we'll edit it just to show you how it looks. What you do is you grab the category and that will grab whatever product you're on in that category and bundle these products together. So that way you can quickly do it the whole categories at a time and you're not doing individual products, and that just will save you boatloads of time. You can also do it in the product itself. So in here we can use a custom thing, nozzle filament, and you can create your custom ones here. And also in here you can create your custom compare tables. So let's do 3D printer, and you can see it automatically builds out. And we'll add another one just for fun. There you go. You can remove attributes and you can really customize them. So you both have an easy way to have them all work for you, or you can even go into detail and create your own. So you see these plugins are super powerful, will allow you to quickly add these features to your store with minimal effort and start getting you some awesome sales. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.